Hello everyone. Today we continue to study Unit 9. What is the fastest animal in the world? And Lesson 3. Grammar and Song. Now let's go please. Are you ready? That's good. Thank you so much, right? Now first part is asking and answering, okay? Look at the picture. And in the box, you see some words here. The first one, biggest food. So try your best to see which one is the biggest here. And in the first column and second column is the fastest transportation. Which one is the fastest transportation? Car, plane, or train? Okay. And number 3, which animal is the tallest? A cat, a giraffe, or a lion? Okay. And next one, number 4, which country is the smallest? Mexico, the USA, or Vietnam? And the last one, which animal is the slowest? A monkey, a cheetah, or a horse? So you look at the table, okay, the table, and then do try your best to answer. Example number 1, which food is the biggest? Okay, maybe a melon, right? It's the biggest one. Yes, good. And which transportation is the fastest? I think plane. Yes. And which animal is the tallest? And you know it's giraffe. And the next one, which country is the smallest? Vietnam or Mexico or USA? Maybe it's Vietnam, right? Yeah, we'll check later. And the last one, which animal is the slowest? A monkey, cheetah, or a horse? I think it's a monkey. Now, let's check the answer. What is the slowest animal? It's a monkey. Right. Good job. What is the smallest country? It's Vietnam. Next. What is the tallest animal? It's giraffe. Excellent. Next. What is the fastest transportation? It's a plane. Great. Next. What is the biggest food? A melon. Okay, and now you try your best to ask and answer by yourself at home. You look at the table and then you ask, okay, like my question, and you answer, or you can change another one if you want. Okay. And you have to practice many times at home. Okay. Yes, you can ask by yourself and you answer by yourself too, right? And when you come back to school, I will ask you again to check it. Try your best to do it, okay? Thank you. Now we move on to next part. Okay, you write 3 sentences. You know, the first part you have to talking about the asking and answering. But now you have to write down 3 sentences. And I have you to write some sentences here and you can imitate or do like example, please. Okay. The slowest animal is a monkey. The smallest country is Vietnam. The tallest animal is giraffe. Alright? Yes. And you have to try your best to write down in your notebook. I say again, The slowest animal is a monkey. The smallest country is Vietnam. The tallest animal is a giraffe. You write down in the notebook, please. Good job. And you can write another sentences, okay? You can imitate the structure, but you try the best to write your idea. Or you can write the biggest melon. Yes, right? Yeah. The biggest fruit is a melon. Or the biggest country is the USA. Okay, depends on you. Don't worry about it. You write by yourself. Any sentence you want. Okay. Now move on next part, and you know this one. Listen and sing. Okay. Now I give you the sentence here, the script, and now you listen and sing, please.
Listening 83. Listen and sing. My quiz.
What's the biggest country? Do you know? Do you know? What's the highest mountain? Do you know? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know what the answer is? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. What's the biggest ocean? Do you know? Do you know? What's the smallest country? Do you know? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know what the answer is? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is.
That's right. Okay, yes, you see very clear here. Many questions for you. Okay, the first one, what is the biggest country? Yeah, what is the highest mountain? Okay, you try the best to answer, right? Yeah, right. And you see number 3 question here is, what is the biggest ocean? And what is the smallest country? You answer by yourself, please. We have 5 questions here. I say again. Question number 1. What is the biggest country? Number 2. What is the highest mountain? Number 3. What is the biggest ocean? Okay. And the last one. What is the smallest country? You try your best to answer by yourself in your notebook. And listen and sing together. And when you come to school again, we will sing together with your friends and me. Okay? Good. Thank you so much. And now we move on to next part for homework. Page 62. Page 62. Okay, yes. And now look at the chart. Circle the mistake in each sentence. Write the correct sentence. Understand? You look at the chart here. The chart, right? And you circle the mistake. Mistake. This means something wrong, right? In the each sentence. Write the correct one, okay? Yeah, do a circle, right? And then you write correct one, this one. The smallest, shortest, and slowest. So, you know, the smallest country maybe is Vietnam, right? The biggest country maybe is the USA, right? Yeah. Okay. And the shortest animal is a mouse. The tallest animal is giraffe. And the slowest transportation is car, right? The fastest transportation is plane. You can see in the chart, and you have to write the correct one, please. Write the correct one. The first, for example, the train is faster than the plane, right? The train here is faster than plane. Faster? No. So you have to write down the correct one. The train is slower than the plane. Slower than. It's a faster, okay? It's a slower, right? That's good. And now it's your turn to have to write down in your workbook, please. Write the correct sentence. Number 1. Number 2. Number 1 is example already. Number 2. A mouse is taller than a horse. And now taller is wrong, right? The mouse cannot, right? Taller than the horse. So you have to write again the correct one. Now let's check, please. The mouse is shorter than a horse. You write down. Number 3. Australia is smaller than Vietnam. No. You have to try again. The Australia is bigger than Vietnam. Write down. And number 4. A plane is slower than a car. No. So you have to write correct one. A plane is faster than a car. Right? That's good. And now, Vietnam is bigger than the USA. No. So you have to write correct one. Vietnam is smaller than the USA. Smaller than, not bigger. And the last one. A giraffe is shorter than a horse. No. The correct one is the giraffe is taller than the horse, right? That's good. To write down in your workbook, please. I think it's very easy for you. Don't worry, okay? You see, we have to learn about the competition with the shock adjective. The shock adjective. Now, move on to the last part, please. Listen, circle the correct answer. Okay. Good. Now, you have to say it. Look at the picture. We have plane, train, and car. 3 transportation here. Okay, yeah. We have some question and you have to listen and then you answer by yourself. Okay. A plane and a car. Number 2. A Thailand, Australia. Number 3. A giraffe, a mouse, and a horse. Number 4. A plane, a car, or a bike. And number 5. Thailand, Vietnam, or Australia. And number 6. A mouse, a horse, or a giraffe. Now, so listen, please.
Listening 20. Listen. Circle the correct answer. 1.
Do you know which transportation is faster? A plane or a car? I think a plane is faster. That's right.
2.
Do you know which country is smaller? Thailand or Australia? Of course Thailand is smaller. You are right.
3.
Okay, what's the tallest animal? A giraffe, a mouse, or a horse? It's a giraffe. Good.
4.
What's the slowest transportation? A plane, a car, or a bike? I think it's a bike. Right.
5.
What's the biggest country? Thailand, Vietnam, or Australia? Australia is the biggest, of course.
6.
What's the shortest animal? A mouse, a horse, or a giraffe? It's a mouse.
It's okay? You can see it? It's very clear. As you circle by yourself in your workbook, number 1, we have a plane is the fastest transportation. Alright. And number 2, Thailand. And number 3, a giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. And number 4 is a bike, is the slowest transportation, right? Right, and Vietnam, Thailand, Australia, which country is the biggest? Is Australia, right? Good job. And the last one is a mouse is the smallest one animal. So very clear for you, right? And you circle in the workbook, please. I will check your homework when you come back to school. Thank you so much. Say goodbye now, everyone. Thank you for your attention today. Okay, have a nice time with me. I'm very happy. If you study well, okay, do your homework, okay, and don't forget to do exercise. Do exercise every day to get better. You have a good health. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you next time.